Hello everyone, I am Atul Morbade and today is 5 January 2022 and now we have discussed about the difference between Java editions, that is Java, SE, EE, etc. So Java technology is both a programming language and a platform. The Java programming language is a high-level, object-oriented language that has a particular syntax and style. A Java platform is a particular environment in which Java programming language applications run. There are several Java platforms, many developers, even long-time Java programming language developers do not understand how the different platforms relate to each other. The Java programming language platforms. There are four platforms of the Java programming languages. First is Java Platform Standard Edition, that is Java SE. Java Platform Enterprises Edition, that is Java EE, and Java Platform Micro Edition, that is Java ME. All Java platform consist of a Java virtual machine, that is JVM, and an application programming interface, that is API. The Java virtual machine is a program for a particular hardware and software platform that runs Java technology applications. An API is a collection of software components that you can use to create other software components or applications. Each Java platform provides a virtual machine and an API, and this allows applications written for that platform to run on any compatible system with all the advantages of the Java programming languages. Platform independence, power stability, uh, ease of development, ease of development and security. Java SE. When most people think of the Java programming language, they think of the Java SE API. Java SE's API provides the core functionality of the Java programming language. It defines everything from the basic types and objects of the Java programming language to high-level classes that are used for networking, security, database access, graphical user interface, development, and XML parsing. In addition to the core API, the Java SE platform consists of a virtual machine, development tools, development technologies, and other classes libraries and toolkits commonly used in Java technology applications. Now next is Java EE. The Java EE platform is built on top of the Java SE platform. The Java EE platform provides an API and runtime environment for developing and running large scale multi-thread scalable reliable and secure network applications. Now next is Java ME. The Java ME platform provides an API and a small footprint virtual machine for running Java programming language on small devices like mobile phones, etc. The API is a subset of the Java SE API along with special class libraries useful for small device applications development. Java ME applications are often client of Java EE platform service. Now next is Java Apex. Java Apex is a platform for creating rich internet applications using a lightweight user interface API. Java Apex applications use hardware, accelerator graphics, and media engines to take advantages of higher performance clients and a modern look and feel as well as high level APIs for connecting to networked data sources. Java Apex applications may be client of Java EE platform services. So that is all about the Java editions. So thank you for this video.